Speaker sir, answers as per the printed sheet.
Speaker sir, this is regarding our Shioli Primary Health Center. Yeah, आमच्या शिओलचे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर. It caters to 7 villages. आणि 7 villages न्हू 7 गांवूच न्हू थंयसरले ट्युरिस्ट लोक सगळे ते जे त्या वाठारान आहा ते जेन्ना बारीक एक्सिडंट जाता त्या आमच्या शिओली प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान येतात. There is shortage of staff there and the workload is a lot. आमचे extension to the primary health center, the extended building is almost ready to the म्हाका दिसता लास्ट टर्मानूय आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर येयल्लो थंयसर इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेला. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट रेडी म्हणल्यार 2019 पासून रेडी आहा ते. आतां 4 वर्सां जालीं ऑलमोस्ट नॉट पूट टू यूज. जेन्ना हांव गेल्ले इन्स्पेक्शनाक रेडी जाल्ले आहा ते बिल्डिंगाचे फॉल्स सिलींग हाला पडलेले आहा. This is the sorry state of affairs. So my pointed question to the minister is, with regards to annexure number 2, आमचे 4 staff, एक medical officer was appointed at Shioli Health Center. तो 2017 पासून PHC कोलवाले गेल्लो हा. So means our Shioli primary health center is running for the last 5 years without a medical officer. मागीर आमचो LDC सालिगांव PHC डिप्लॉय केल्लो हा, appointed at Shioli Health Center. 2 MTS appointed at Shioli Health Center, but they are at PHC Valpoi. Please give me, sir, the time frame within which you will get this. They are drawing salary from Shioli Health Center, Primary Health Center, but they are deployed at other places, and we are running short of staff there. Sir, this 4 staff. Speaker,
sir, what honourable member has said, that there were staff that were redeployed, but in addition, they were redeployed back to Shioli Health Center. One was Dr. Reshma Ji Lotlikar, Public Health Dentist, Rita Fernandez, Bharti Talkar, Mahendra Nagoji, Sushma N. Gar, Darshan Savekar, Madan Shetkavkar, Vrunda Sawant. These, so we have redeployed them there. What honourable member has also said, as far as the redeployment, in my own constituency, I don't have a health officer. I am still finding, because he is in Chikalim, and there were honourable member Movin Kudino wanted, and Daji Sarkar, they wanted, the doctor was good, so I have not got a health officer myself. So what I will do is that we are doing I have told the secretary, we will sit down with the secretary and we will rework the whole deployment pattern. And also my only request to all the members is that, many times everybody comes for transfers, and these transfers is becoming like a routine kind of a thing, and then it becomes very difficult to work in a very efficient manner. So once and for all, I have said that on an annual basis, once and for all, you take this and get it done. But as far as your extension is concerned, that extension is being done by the PWD. I'll talk to the Honourable Minister for PWD the earliest, if they can give us and hand it over to us, then we can have it, we can use and extend and have more activities in that particular area. But as far as redeployment of staff is concerned, the redeployed staff is again redeployed. We have redeployed more the staff, which names I have given. They are already working in the Shioli Health Center. Health officer, your medical officer, the health officer, Dr. Sadhna Shetty is already there. But the health... Medical officer, wherever the shortage is there, I will ensure that you get a medical officer. Now recently, Honorable Chief Minister has cleared a file, GPSC चे थोडे recruitment झाले, ते नवे कोण officer doctors झाल्या, एक कोण तरी आम्ही ते deploy करता, पण तुमका staff आणि लागतलो, कारण तुमचे extension एकदा झाल्यार activity भी थंय वाढतली, त्याप्रमाणे तुमका करून आम्ही दिता.
Sir, ये चारूच स्टाफ न्हू आनी 9 पोस्ट सर वेकंट हा सर, तेजेरूय मातशें बार घेवचें.
शिओली ती मॅडम म्हणटा तशी शिओलीचो जो सेंटर आहा, शिओली आसा, कांदोलीम आसा, ह्यो सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा, कारण ट्युरिजम आनी कोस्टल बेल्टाचेर आमकां वेवस्थीत लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसाच. एमर्जन्सी ट्रॉमा सेंटर ह्यो तरेचे गोष्टी सगळे थंय जावंक जाय. ह्यो सगळ्या गोष्टी करपाक तुमकां जें कितें सहकार्य जाय, सहकार्य दिवपाचो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की शिओलीचो जो भाग आहा त्या एरियान एमर्जन्सी रूम आनी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर आमी लक्ष घालून ते बेगिना बेगीन फुडल्या 3 म्हयन्या भितर आय वील ट्राय माय बेस्ट टू सी दॅट वी आर एबल टू give you your full staff strength and take it forward.
Sir, आमची Sholi Health Center, as I said, caters to 7 villages. Besides the 7 villages, to so many number of tourists. So आमचे population to which it caters is more than 40,000, if you can see. So please, I request you to declare it as, once this building, extended building comes up, and to declare it at CHC, sir.
ना CHC करून ॲक्च्युली परिस्थिती आताच मुख्यमंत्रीकडे चर्चा करतलो. आमच्याकडे आता परिस्थिती अशी झाल्या की 30,000 काय 35,000ची एक PHC असता. आयज सगळीकडे परिस्थिती पॉप्युलेशन वाडल्या. ह्यो आमी जे केला आमचे जे स्ट्रक्चर जे आहा हे पयलींचे स्ट्रक्चर जे आहा. आयज आमी आमच्याकडे दुसरे कडेन आमी जे बांदल्या म्हणून तांकां बॅकअप करचे पडटले. ते PHC कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर तांकां जाय जाल्यार ते ताबडतोब हांव फायल मूव करता कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर करपाक. त्याच बरोबर स्ट्रक्चरली फंक्शनींग करपाक आमकां वेगळ्या तरेचे मेकॅनिझम करून ते फुडें व्हरचे पडटले. RMD सब हेल्थ सेंटर म्हणजे तुमकां प्रत्येक तुमच्या परिसरांत तुमकां योग्य तरेचे आउटरीच आनी तुमकां योग्य तरेचे हेल्थ केअर सिस्टम आमी स्ट्रेंथन करून आमी दिवं शकता. सो यू आर वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट एज अ कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर टुडे इट सेल्फ आय विल मूव द फायल टू दॅट्स विदीन माय पावर्स टू डू इट. आय विल गेट इट डन.
Thank you, sir.